Okay, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the last part of our food shack project. This is going to be for the 2x6, the roof trusses. Okay, so let's get started. I'll close that data panel. We're gonna continue on from where we left off when we finished off the right side with the window. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the front of the view cube. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and draw our the first part of our roof trusses. So I'm going to create sketch. Okay, I'm going to click on this stud right here, and I'm going to guesstimate 2-point rectangle. Okay, because I'm going to kind of copy that right there like that. I don't like the way that looks. One more time. Okay, create sketch. Click on this plane, 2-point rectangle. I'm going to go right here. So this is going to be 1.5 inches wide, and then we're going to go up 18 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Left click inside, right click, extrude, new component. And we're going to go back. Since this is a 2x6, we're going to go back 5.5, negative 5.5. Yeah, let's look at that, make sure. There it is right there. See, there's a stud right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and name this roof truss ridge, R-I-G, ridge stud 2x6 by 18 inches. Okay, click on the right side and we're going to go and make a copy of it. Go copy, create a copy, go all the way this way. Let's cancel it. I don't like the way that looks. I'm going to change the physical material real quickly. Let's make it cherry. I want to see it. Okay. I guess it's okay the way it is. Okay, let's do that again. Go copy. Negative 91 is too much, so it's going to be negative 90.5. There you go. Now it lines up. Okay. So now we have our 2 ridge studs. So now we're going to draw a beam across it. Create sketch. Click on this stud right here. 2-point rectangle. Go in this corner. And then we're going to go across 5.5. 5. Looks like it's going to be about 85.5. 85. Okay. Finish sketch. Then we're going to extrude. New component. I'm going to go back negative 1.5. Okay, there it is. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to draw the roof trusses itself. Okay, the half roof trusses. Okay, click on the front. And then from here, go create sketch. Okay, I'm going to click on this beam. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the line. Okay, not this one line. Okay, and then I'm going to touch this corner. Okay, go down 3.5. I'm 3 point. I'm sorry. We're going to go down 5.5. Okay, enter. See, that's 5.5. Click line again. Touch that corner, and then we're going to go out. Okay, across here with that notch, we're going to go down 36 inches. Okay. All right. Clicking line again. Touch this corner, then we're going to go up 5.5. Enter. See that? Now we're going to complete the square, but see, we're drawing the truss all the way up here. Okay, just like that. Okay, so if you notice, this is 5.5, 36 inches here, 5.5, and then back to 36. Finish the sketch. Okay, it's going to look just like that, and it's going to cut through. Okay, this is not a mistake. It's going to look like that. Okay, so left click, right click inside the sketch. We're going to extrude it out. Negative 1.5. Oh, we didn't do the new component. Negative 1.5. Enter. Okay, so if you look at it, there it is right there. Okay, so this is going to be oh wait, we forgot to name this one right here. Okay, so this one is going to be the roof truss ridge beam. Okay, which is a 2x6 by 89 inches. Or is it 85? I think it was 85 inches. Let's look at it. Here to here, 85. Okay, it was 85. Okay, so this one, okay, we're gonna rename it roof truss half. And it was a 2x6 by 36 inches. Okay, so now we're going to do a pattern and make 5 more copies of these. So we'll have a 6 total on one side. Okay, click on here. Actually, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and change the physical material so we can see the difference of it. Okay, I know you don't have to, but I am. Oh, keep doing that. Nope, I don't want to do that. Not the whole thing. Okay, click here, modify, physical materials. Okay, just that one here. There we go. Okay, so now click on here. Now here we're going to go create, and then you click on pattern, rectangular pattern. Okay, you're going to hit the direction, which is you're going to go this direction. And then this time, instead of extent, we're going to go spacing. Click suppress, and then I want 6 of these. 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's look at it from the right side. And then we're going to go, see, 20 is too far. 18 is not far enough. 19. 19.75. Looks like 18.9 is gonna fit it. Okay, all right, so if you look at it, there it is. There's the one side of the truss. Okay, so now we're going to copy this, but we're going to use a American to put on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to select all these half trusses, right? There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to go create. So this time I'm going to mirror. Okay, and it's going to ask which plane do I want to select. Okay, I'm going to turn this view cube around. Okay, and I'm going to select this plane right here. Okay, so hit OK. Hit the home button. There is the other trusses, right? So if I look at it from front, oops, it's a little off, but we can fix that. Okay, we'll just move it over. Okay, so if I scroll down here, look at the phone, see, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mirrors. Click on move copy and let's move it over. I guess -1.25. There you go. Negative, no, -1.25. Do that again. It's like -1.3 is gonna, okay. Oh, there's a little teeny tiny gap. -1.35. Okay, I'll just leave it as it is, but it's close enough. Okay. All right. So there is our roof trusses. Okay. So now all you do is the drawing. So here I'm going to go. Okay. First, I'm going to go ahead and save this, right? Save as. Roof trusses 2x6. All right. So now I'm going to go design, drawing from design. Okay, now here under the contents, I'm going to drop down and go to select. Okay, so I'm just going to select anything that says roof truss, right? Because this is what we need for our drawing when we dimension our models. Okay, I'm going to click on the A size template, hit OK. Oop, that's okay. We can use that. Okay. So I'm going to click on the front, scale 1 to 1 inch. All right, shade it within the edges. Move it over. This part I'm going to delete because I want a projected view. Okay. Not exactly going to fit. Okay, let's just do this again. Let's do another one really, really quickly. Okay. Design, drawing from design. Okay, you can pick the B size tab. Let's do the B size tab block. Okay. This time I'm going to go from select. Okay. Okay, there we have the bigger one, right? So let's go and drop that, change the scale 1 to 1. Click on there. All right. Hit OK. So let's go ahead and move this. Now I want the projected view. I'm going to move it over here. Not cooperating. Let's rotate it. Okay, so now we can get the dimensions. Okay. So here, so you can see, right, we did this first. This is going to be 18 across. Okay. And then I'm going to dimension what we did next here, here to here. $94.5. It really should be, look, it really should be 96. here. There we go, 96, perfect. And then let's do the align dimension, right from here to here, 36. Here, 36. So it's a little overkill, but that way you can see what the dimensions were when we actually drew them. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then you can print it out. Roof truss 2x6 drawing.